guys? Welcome to this week's episode of the Rockin Thrifty Chef. This week I'm going to be making you a delicious curried chicken salad recipe. As usual, I'm going to show you guys my ingredients and I'm going to walk you through the steps, and I'll include the full recipe in the description downtown. So I'm starving and I'm ready to eat, so let's rock and roll. We're going to start off by making our dressing, and we're going to go ahead and add our mayonnaise, our plain Greek yogurt, and then I'm going to add the juice and the zest of a small lime into a bowl with it. Then I'm going to add my curry powder and my honey and just a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we're just going to stir it all together and set it off to the side. Next we're going to be making our salad. So I'm going to start that with a chicken breast that I've got cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and chop that up. And then I'm going to take about 2 celery stalks and I'm going to finely chop those up. Next I'm going to add my raisins and my chopped peanuts or almonds if you prefer. And finally, for a little bit of heat, I'm going to chop up a serrano pepper just to keep it a little bit spicy. But if you're not a fan of spicy food, you can leave that out, or you can substitute it with a milder pepper if you like. Alright guys, so we're done making our chicken salad, and you can eat this however you like. You can do it with like crackers, you can make wraps, you could serve it over a salad and make a chicken salad, you know what I'm saying? But today I chose to make sandwiches. Alright, as you guys can see on the side, I've got my roasted asparagus topped with Parmesan cheese and the hollandaise sauce I just made. Super delicious. If that's something you'd like to learn how to make, give me a little rock and roll down in the comments. That's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smack that like button. And if you'd like to see more, go click the subscribe and share us with your friends. It's time for me to go grub down on all this awesomeness, so until next week, rock out with your pots out!